Welcome back to Gadget Auto World. Today, we're diving into the vital role of dash cams in modern vehicles. Front and rear dash cams are becoming essential tools for drivers, offering peace of mind and valuable evidence in case of accidents. Let's explore how they work and why they're a must-have for your vehicle. What are dash cams? Dash cams, short for dashboard cameras, are compact recording devices mounted in your vehicle. They capture video footage of the road ahead and, with rear dash cams, also behind your vehicle. These cameras continuously record while the vehicle is in motion, providing a real-time account of events. Dash cams not only document driving experiences but can also serve as a deterrent against potential theft or vandalism. How dash cams work. Dash cams use a wide-angle lens to capture a broad field of view, ensuring that all critical details are recorded. Most models operate on a loop recording system, which overwrites older footage as the memory card fills up. Many dash cams come equipped with G sensors that detect sudden movements or impacts, automatically saving the footage before and after an incident. Some advanced models also feature GPS tracking. This feature records your location and speed, adding another layer of information to your footage. Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to easily transfer footage to your smartphone or computer for sharing or storage. Front dash cams. Front dash cams are designed to capture everything happening in front of the vehicle. Their primary benefits include accident documentation, provides clear evidence of events leading up to and during a collision, which can be crucial in disputes. Insurance claims streamlines the claims process by offering irrefutable proof of what occurred, potentially saving you money on premiums. Road safety deters reckless driving and road rage by recording interactions, which can encourage safer behavior among drivers. Rear dash cams. Rear dash cams complement front cameras by capturing footage behind the vehicle. Their advantages include protection from rear-end collisions, records evidence if someone rear-ends your vehicle, helping to establish fault. Parking surveillance monitors the area behind your vehicle while parked, capturing incidents like vandalism or hit-and-runs. Enhanced awareness provides a comprehensive view of your surroundings, making it easier to avoid potential hazards when reversing or parking. Installation and usage. Installing dash cams is generally straightforward. Most models come with adhesive mounts, allowing you to securely attach them to your windshield. Some may require hardwiring for a cleaner setup, eliminating the need for visible cables. Once installed, simply power on the device, and it will start recording automatically when you start your vehicle. Some additional tips for installation include positioning. Ensure the camera has an unobstructed view of the road and does not block your line of sight. Cable management. Use cable clips or ties to keep wiring neat and prevent any interference with vehicle controls. Legal considerations. While dash cams offer numerous benefits, it's important to be aware of legal considerations. Laws regarding dash cam usage vary by location, so keep the following in mind. Audio recording. In some jurisdictions, it's illegal to record audio without consent. Always check local laws regarding audio and video recording. Privacy concerns. Ensure that your dash cam does not infringe on others' privacy, especially in residential areas. Data retention. Be mindful of how long you store recorded footage. Some regions may have regulations on data retention. Choosing the right dash cam. When selecting a dash cam, consider features such as video quality. Look for high-definition recording, 1080p or higher, for clearer footage, especially at night. Storage capacity. Choose a model that supports larger memory cards, allowing for extended recording time. Additional features. Consider GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and night vision capabilities to enhance your dash cam's functionality. Build quality. Look for durable, weather-resistant models, especially if you live in areas with extreme weather conditions. Warranty and support. Opt for brands that offer reliable customer support and a good warranty to ensure your investment is protected. In conclusion, front and rear dash cams are invaluable tools for modern drivers, providing security and documentation in an increasingly unpredictable world. They can save you time, money, and stress when it comes to accidents and insurance claims, while also offering peace of mind during your travels. Have you installed a dash cam in your vehicle? What features do you find most beneficial? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more automotive insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.